What is going on, YouTube? It's Josiah, and today we're going up to meet with Edgar in the Scat Pack. We're about to go to a car meet. They might be going crazy up there, I don't know, we'll see. Might be able to do some rolls, might not though. I know that I am gonna get some footage for you guys though, so I got you. Even if no one wants to roll, I'll just record people's faces. How am I gonna get caught at the first light? It's one of my sliders is loose. It's such an annoying sound, I hate it. It's so tight through here. Almost actually just oh, I'm supposed to take a right? Me, bruh. Oh, I just missed my turn. Can I make it all the way in neutral? Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Alright, YouTube. We'll see you in a minute. I gotta do something to my bike and then we're out towards the meet. Let's go. Alright, let's tighten this motherfucker. Get. Come on. Bro just got it lowered. Look at that. What up?
I'm about to get one of these in 2 weeks.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Is there anything I should know about it?
Oh, it's super fun. For a 600, I love it.
I'm getting a 600 too.
Yeah.
I think it's an 09.
Oh yeah. This is a 17. They're super fun, bro. They're the best 600. I love them.
Is there?
So like, there's right here, there's 3 different traction controls when you hold this down, and 2 different power modes.
Okay.
Yeah. So I.
I'll follow you out. Alright, YouTube, we gotta roll with Edgar. Fire hydrant 1, 2, 100 yards right there. We can see it. Yeah. Okay. 40? 40, yeah. Yeah, okay. Want to go back? him go, and then I'll go. You good?
I see the flame.
Oh, it's hot as hell in here.
That's the motherfucker with the balls in this front strip right here.
Oh, you're moving. We were at like 80.
You were like 80% throttle?
Yeah, and then once we hit like 80 miles an hour is when you could probably see it.
Just holding his throttle, like, not even full. Yeah.
All right, you two, let's see the Supra. It was good beat though. Had a couple good runs. I mean, nothing really. No one was really running like that. ZX-6.
Yeah.
Chillito. I rocked with everybody there. I mean, it was pretty cool. Everybody was super chill. New homie started a YouTube channel too, so